Damn, KP, this shit a movie.
Get in tune. All actions, no procrastinations. What up, Capo? Steve, we on that, my nigga. No talking, take over. 380 man trying to get loud. Yo, ho up on my sack. I'm the main attraction when I'm in the hood. I'm the main attraction when I'm in the club.
It's easier, you feel me? It's easier because I could just repeat it. I could just repeat it and go and just turn up on it. KP, no talking. RIP my nigga Snow. Yeah, relax.
He thinking too fast. Need that drink. He about to blow off. She about to get some brains on the floor. Come on, freak. Super freak.
In the hood, I'm the main attraction when I'm in the club. 340 on my way. 380 under that. 380. Yo, man trying to get loud. Yo, ho up on my sack. Hey, I'm the main attraction when I'm in the hood. I'm the main attraction when I'm in the club. 340, 340 boys, 340, 340 boys. I'm the main attraction when I'm in the hood. I'm the main attraction when I'm in the hood. I'm the main attraction when I'm in the hood. But I'm everywhere, even in the hood. We popping bottles, we showing everybody love. And you think it's cold, can I get a hug? Make it warm, I make it hot. Shorty up in my spot. Clothes off, T-top. Gotta know I'm bebop. It's yellow on canary. They sell that like the Rolex. R.I.P. the mic and my nigga Rolex. Selling jewelers for the city. Got the city up on my back. Got my niggas in the studio. Even in the trap, we the main attraction. Yo niggas, they watching. Them bitches just shocking. We not fucking stopping. Shout out to that 340. Shout out to that 380. Get up out of line. Shit going crazy. I ain't going nowhere. I'm just in place. 340. 340. Hey. 340 on my waist. 380 under that. 340 on my waist. Man, shout out my nigga Boss Fu, man. Not talking. In the studio, live, recording live. Inside DCB, one of that no talking movement. Niggas know. No, we got the racks, boy. No, we don't get jack, boy. See me with that Mac. Fuck around, get clapped, boy. No, we got the rack, boy. Fuck around, get jack, boy. See me with that Mac. Fuck around, get clapped. You gotta do that shit.
No, G, you know alright, man. This shit just.
Man, G, come on, man. Don't do it like that.
There's only 2 more bars. Two more slicker bars, nigga. Hit them. Got a lot of guns, hold good head, I'm holding that, I'm getting that. In my city, I'm running that. I carry guns like a running back. That shit was weak, man. Let me hear that shit, though. In my city, I'm running that. I carry guns like a running back.
Okay, dude, just drop that hook. Just drop that hook over that bitch. It's gonna cover it right up.
Yeah, man, fuck it, man. The next shit.
YK.
Let's get it. HB on the track.
Bitch, you know I'm too cool. Young niggas will shoot you. Run up and just do you. Chew you up like dog food. My niggas, we is too fast. Y'all niggas, y'all is too slow. We cashing out gym bags. Y'all niggas late, no class. Bitch, you know I'm too cool. Young niggas will shoot you. Run up and just do you. chew you up like dog food. My niggas, we is too fast. Y'all niggas, y'all is too slow. We cashing out gym bags. Y'all niggas late, no class. Chewies on my ass. Louis Vuitton belt buckle. Death before dishonor. I put that shit on my brother. I'll fuck your bitch. Cause boy, you should've cuffed her. I don't care if she got kids. Cause nigga, I'm a motherfucker. Is that your main bitch? Or your main lover? The chick told me that you her play brother. I beat it every night, always wear rubber. Every time we fuck, we don't even use the cover. Cause I'm a real nigga, straight gutter. Keep my shoes on, but turn the lights off. I like that fresh pussy scent, plain soft. I get mine off, then she get hers off. I got a solid dick, never soft. Word to the foes, shout out to the moles. Oops is fuck the ops, CPDK2, that's fuck the cops. Talk shit, we sending shots. Too real, never fake. All my niggas, they done called a case. Early in the morning, call it wake and bake. So, the way these niggas shake, get head by 2 bitches, call it double face. Ha ha, bitch.
Did that shit earlier, tweaking.
Shit, I ain't even know, man.
Is he gonna stop the mute? Fucked up the song?
Yeah.
You delete the song?
Lots of money.
Nah, that shit.
Hold it, lots of money.
Load back up.
You see what KB on, man? You see what KB on? What KB on?
You think you know how to work his thing?
No talking.
Weed smoke.
No talking.
I'm still
About to smack you again.
Man, what?
I had him ready when that happened.
It's a danger zone.
I had him ready like hot spaghetti.
It's a no talking zone. Bruce was like, Bruce, you was on my ass though. He was like,
Dream.
nah, you know who be doing it the most?
Motherfucker should have said something.
Hey, but I ain't gonna lie, you can't see it. It's so blendable with the flow. It's just like it ain't gonna.
That's you.
He's with a torch. My nigga Noon Ball, get down.
It's a Friday, I'm swagging, I'm big. Niggas look behind the tent, touch the foreign, yes it. Y'all can't see us, it's loud, swagging on the cloud. That's swag, I feel like J-Mo from the band, but I'm fucking with them, and we throwing up the bands. Getting this candy, so we call it E.O.M. Cause I'm pulling up in that bird horse, charging like it's Dodge. Coming out right for the blue and white, like the cars. Nah, I can't take no talking, felony, get wasted.
That's when you say it, man.
Huh? What you say? Hey, old Scooby-Doo looking. Scooby-Doo. Yo, Shaggy.
Swag, I'm big, I'm swag, I'm big, I'm talking, gray bass on my team. I'm swag, I'm big,